Have you ever just stood by your window at 2 a.m., looking out at the empty streets and wondered, where is my life even going? Have you ever felt like the darkness is just swallowing you whole and every single thing you try just blows up in your face? I know, because I've been there. People probably told you that you're not cut out for this. You've failed so many times that giving up feels like the only smart thing left to do. But here's the thing, the sun only shows up after the night is at its absolute darkest. What I'm about to tell you isn't some cheesy motivational speech. It's a wake-up call for that person inside you who's tired of losing. Stick with me until the very end, because these next few minutes, they're going to change how you see your struggle forever. Failure. It's a nasty word, isn't it? When we mess up, society, your friends, even your own family looks at you sideways. But have you ever really stopped to think about what failure actually is? It's not a dead end. It's just a lesson. Think back to when we were kids learning to walk. Did we just stand up and start sprinting? No, we fell 1,000 times. That falling wasn't failure. It was just the process of learning how to stand. So why are we so scared of falling now? Why are we so obsessed with winning on the first try? Remember, you can never lose hope. You can't quit on yourself. If you don't believe in you, why on earth should the world believe in you? People are going to talk trash. They're going to try to hold you back. Why? Because they're scared. They're scared that if you actually make it, it proves they were wrong for giving up on themselves. There's a saying we all know, no pain, no gain. It's a cliche for a reason, because it's true. You'll only feel that when you give it your absolute 100%. You ever wonder why some people blow up overnight while others struggle forever? It's all about the grind. You say you're working hard, but are you doing the right work? Are you clear about your goal? There's no secret code to success. It's just hard work, learning, and failing forward. People talk about talent like it's everything. Look, talent might get you started, but the grind is what gets you to the finish line. Millions of talented people vanished because they got lazy and quit. And millions of average people became legends just because they had that dog in them and refused to stop. Your life belongs to you, period. Letting someone else's opinion stop you is like killing your own potential. The people laughing at you right now, once you win, they'll be the first ones saying, "I always knew you'd be huge." The only way to shut them up is to succeed. Action speaks way louder than words. Sometimes it feels like you have nothing. Maybe you're broke, or you feel like you have zero opportunities. But the truth is, when you have nothing to lose, you have the whole world to win. When you start from zero, you aren't afraid of falling because you're already on the ground. That fearlessness, that's what makes you unstoppable. Every morning, look in the mirror and tell yourself, today is mine. Forget what you lost yesterday. Today is a new fight. When your mind says, I can't, you tell it, watch me. We spend so much time comparing ourselves to people on Instagram. You see their perfect life and think your life sucks, but you don't see the struggle behind the screen. Everyone is fighting their own battle. Your only competition is the person you were yesterday. If you're even 1% better today, you're on the right track. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of small wins every single day. If you get 1% better every day, by the end of the year, you're a beast. Be patient. You don't plant a seed and expect fruit the next morning. Roots have to grow deep before the tree stands tall. Dream big. If If your goal is the mountaintop, you might at least hit the clouds. Small goals are a crime. You weren't born just to pay bills and die. There is a sleeping giant inside you. Find it. Life will hit you. Doors will close. You'll feel like you're at a dead end. But maybe God is closing those doors because there's a better path waiting for you. Don't quit. If you break today, you won't see how beautiful tomorrow is going to be. Stop with the excuses. I don't have money, my luck is bad, nobody helps me. That's loser talk. Brave people make their own luck. If you really want it, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll just find another excuse. If you're tired, take a break, but don't you dare stop. Be like a river cutting through a rock, not because it's stronger, but because it never stops. Consistency is your biggest weapon. We're always worried about what will people say. Trust me, people don't care that much. They talk for 2 days and move on. At the end of the day, it's just you. Live for yourself. Live for your family. Make struggle your best friend. That pain, that means you're growing. Muscles don't grow without tension. Neither does a strong life. Grind in silence. Let your success make all the noise. You don't need to post every move you make. Just stay focused and put in the work. Your time is coming. Stop doubting yourself. You are way stronger than you think. Just jump. Success has to show up eventually. I'm telling you, don't ever doubt what you're capable of. You have so much power inside you. Just take that first step. Success is waiting. You just have to go get it. If this hit home for you, do me a favor. Hit that like button and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. To stay locked in with us, make sure you subscribe to MSTV24 and turn on the notifications. Your support keeps us going. That's all for today. Keep grinding, stay strong, and never back down. I'll see you at the top. Take care. Thanks for rocking with MSTV24.